Good morning. Today we're going to build a brushless whoop. For that, we will need the following. A Crazy Bee F3 FC. Motors, these are 0603 16,000 kV motors. An all-in-one camera. A battery connector pigtail from Raycon Heli. This one uses 22 AWG wire. It has solid pins for better conductivity and helps reduce battery sag. A 65mm brushless whoop frame. A canopy/camera mount. Propellers, these are Raycon Heli tri-blades. So first, we'll tin the tips of the camera wires. And then we'll install the camera on the canopy. We'll also tin the tips of the battery connector. We'll tin the FC. We'll solder in the pigtail. We'll solder in the camera wires. So this is our complete electronics. It's ready to mount. Now we'll mount the motors on the frame. So there you go. I usually mount the motors to the frame first before the other things because it's a little bit fiddly. So now we'll mount the props. We'll have a props out configuration. Now we'll mount the electronics. We'll start by putting the grommets here. And then we'll just gently slide them in. Okay, so now we just have to screw in the canopy and the FC. Now we'll connect the motors. We'll make sure to tuck the wires in and twist the battery connector. And that's it. We have a brushless whoop. Let's check for a short. This is something that you should always do for every build. So we're good. Let's weigh it. 20 grams, not bad. And that's it for the build. I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching.